yeah, there's a crackhead. There's a crackhead giving out frappes and coilovers, but
Oh yeah.
yeah, all you had to do was eat her pussy. But I'm like, what the fuck? But we're installing coilovers today on my BMW 335i. We're here after hours, 6:01. They still gotta do the back, and still gotta do the wheel alignment. Man, I was gone for 2 weeks. I didn't drive the car in 2 weeks. They told me to flash the car. Now the car is dead and we can't get it out. This right here is a part out. You know what I'm saying? If you're in New York, you need parts, hit me. There's another N54. All-wheel drive with a stick shift. Actually, my first video for the year, and this is gonna, I guess, we started off with a bang. So here we have VRSF 1000 horsepower race intercooler, oil pan gasket, no sensor, engine mount, transmission mount, plugs and coils. What the hell is that? Shit. So we got a Speedtech turbo kit. I'm saying a big single turbo kit. I'll see you when I finish. Welcome back to the Life of Pop Out. So I'm saying we in the middle of this turbo install. Old turbo is off. I wasn't even gonna record this, but I'm saying subframe is dirty as fuck. All this caked up oil and shit. You know what I'm saying? Sway bar, rims. These are the old turbos. Oily as fuck. Look at the seals. These are actually kind of still intact. But it's super crazy amount of oil in these shits. The front turbo was actually the bad one. The back one's was clean. But I'm saying we're gonna get into it. Purple Beast soon be back outside. This is the oil pan that I was driving around with. You know what I'm saying? This shit was terrible. That's a piece of the gasket right there. The whole shit came apart when I took it off. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go wash this off now. And then we gonna get back to it. It's 2 weeks, 3 weeks later. Yeah, I had to take down the car. It was on the front rod support. There was something that was not really clipped properly on it, and as opposed to half-assing it like I did the first time, I'm gonna fix everything 100%. So here we are. I got something from my old car, not my old car, my parts car, to fix it. So I'm about to put everything back up. I actually got a couple surprises too though, but I gotta fix this shit first. So yeah, it's customer service. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Boost Monkey. They even sent me one of these, and all I ordered was the hop switch. Also, Precision Racerix, Speedtech, and Pulsar. And it's a 3-point Mac. This is what I got from I think ECS Tuning. But yeah, shout out to them, especially Boost Monkey. Here we are. I'm saying I did Pulsar, I did my fuel pump, DME, boost control, coilovers. Bitch was a bitch to get out, but it was for some dumb shit. This was actually one of the worst parts to get out the rear inlet. As you see, I cut it some more and broke it. But yeah, I'm about to jump the car, and that's it. So I got the car hooked up. I think I can see how happy I am, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're flashing the tune right now.
Alright, that good.
Built, not bought. Zoom.
That is it.
Loud as fuck because the exhaust is disconnected.
Look at this nigga face. This nigga smiling as fuck. Single turbo.
So you're gonna go back. No leak? Yeah. You see me?
Look at this nigga face. Look at this nigga face. Heard what? Heard what? Heard what? The turbo? You can't drive. Too happy? I want the blood clot. Nah, get single turbo and I know if you drive.